So, dear students, here I am going to explain one more example how to sort the given list using Bidonic sequence if the sequence is not in uh, Bidonic sequence. See here in this example, I want to sort this list using Bidonic sorting technique. So, the given sequence is not Bidonic sequence because increasing, decreasing, increasing. So it is not in Bidonic sequence. So you have to convert into Bidonic sequence. What is the step you have to follow? Divide the list into two halves, list 1 and list 2. Take the list 1 and arrange in increasing order. So first and second, second and fourth. First and second, third, compare. 6, 8, increasing order. Okay, take 6, 8. 7, 3 is not increasing order, swap it. 3, 7. Now again compare with the length 1. 6, 3, 8, 7. 6, 3 is in increasing order, no, swap it. 3, 6. 8, 7, increasing order, no, swap it. 7, 8. Now the list 1 is in increasing order. Now take the list 2. Now list 2 is 1, 4, 9, 8, increase and decrease. Now you take the again 1, 9, 4, 8. So compare 1, 9 is in decreasing order or not. For the second list, we have to observe in comparison whether it is decreasing order or not. If it is not decreasing order, swap it. So 1, 9 is decreasing order, no. So swap it 9, 1. Next 4, 8 in decreasing order, no. So you swap it 8, 4. Now next compare the elements with length 1. Now see 9, 8 is in decreasing order, yes. Keep as it is. 1, 4 is decreasing order, no. Swap it 4, 1. Now the list 2 is in decreasing order. Now we are able to convert your given sequence into Bidonic sequence. Now once it is a Bidonic sequence, you already know how to sort. Apply the Bidonic sort. Take the length 4 comparison. Length 4. Length 4 means 1, 5. Compare length 4. Compare with length 4 means compare 1, 5 is one set. 2, 6 is one set. 3, 7 is one set. 4, 8 is another set. Give it to the 4 comparators. Now 4 comparators are start their comparison at a time. Now 3, 9. Write index value. So 1, 3, 9. What is the output of for this comparator? 3, 9. 3, 9 only will get. 6, 8. 6, 8 only we get. 7, 4 will get 4, 7. Next 9, 1 will get 1, 9. 8, 1, 1, 8 will get. So 3, 9, 3, 9 only. 6, 8, 6, 8 only. Next 7, 4 will get 4, 7. Next 9, 1. 9, 1 will get 1, 9. Now after comparison with 4, length 4, you will get this sequence. Next, this sequence is divided into two halves, list 1 and list 2, compare with the length 2. Once you divide this list into two halves, this is one half cleaner, this is one half cleaner. Half cleaner means this is one comparison network and this is one comparison network. For this comparison network, again use the comparators. So first and third, give it to the one comparator. 6 and 1 is give it to the another comparator. 9, 7, one comparator. 8, 8, one comparator. That means we apply the 4 comparators now. Start the 4 comparators at a time, the comparison parallelly. Now 3, 4 comparator output is 3, 4 only. Now 6, 1 comparator output 1, 6 will get. 9, 7 comparator output 7, 9. 7, 9. 8, 8 comparator output 8, 8. So after length 2 comparison is over, your list becomes like this. Next you apply the length 1 comparison with length 1. So these two, A1, A2, A3, A4, A4, A5, A6, A7, A8. Now see, 3, 1, 3, 1 compared output 1, 3. 4, 6 compared output 4, 6 only. 7, 8 compared output 7, 8 only. 9, 8 compared output 8, 9. After comparison with length 1, your list is going to be sorted. Now see the sorted information 1, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 8, 9. You combine these two sorted lists. So this is called recursive calling of binomial sort n by 2, n by 2. Recursively calling, we make individual lists as sorting. Now we combine these two individual sorted lists, we will get the final sorted list of binomial sort 1, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 8, 9. So this is an example for how to sort a non-bitonic sequence elements by the bitonic sort technique. If at all the given sequence is not in bitonic sequence, first you have to convert the sequence into bitonic sequence by dividing the list into two halves. Take the first list and arrange the elements in first list in increasing order. Take the second list, arrange the second list element in decreasing order. Then once you converting first list in increasing, second list in decreasing, your list becomes bitonic sequence. Once it is a bitonic sequence, already we know how to apply bitonic sort to sort the bitonic sequence list elements. Apply the first length 4 comparison. Next divide the list into two halves. Again apply the length 2 for the individual sublists. Again apply length 1 individual sublists. The individual sublists are sorted. Now combine these two individual sorted lists, we will get the final list. So with this, by listening carefully with concentration these three bitonic sort examples, you could able to sorting the any given list in the sorted form using bitonic sorting and as a bitonic sort, whether the list is in solid order, whether the list is bitonic sequence or non-bitonic sequence. Only the thing is, if you want to apply the bitonic sort, to see that the given list is in bitonic sequence or not. If it is bitonic, it is not in bitonic sequence, you try to convert the sequence into bitonic sequence. How do you convert a non-bitonic sequence to bitonic sequence? Divide the list into two halves, take the first list and arrange the elements in increasing order of first list with the comparison. And similarly, take the second list, arrange the second list elements in decreasing order by comparisons. So when we compare in the second list, we see that whether it is in the decreasing order or not. If it is not decreasing order, swap it. While you are converting the first list in increasing order, we see the comparison whether the comparing elements are in increasing order or not. If it is in increasing order, okay, leave it as it is. If it is not increasing order, swap it. That is the thing, conversion. I will explain conversion one more time. See, this is the not bitonic sequence. Take two lists, divide into two lists. Take the first list. ఫస్ట్ లిస్ట్ని మేము ఇంక్రీజింగ్ ఆర్డర్లో చేయాలి. ఇంక్రీజింగ్ ఆర్డర్లో చేయాలంటే కంపేర్ చేయాలి. ఫస్ట్, థర్డ్, సెకండ్, ఫోర్త్. ఇది కంపేర్ చేసేటప్పుడు ఈ రెండు ఎలిమెంట్స్ కనుక ఇంక్రీజింగ్ ఆర్డర్లో ఉంటే అలానే ఉంచుతాం. ఇంక్రీజింగ్ ఆర్డర్ లేకపోతే స్వాప్ చేస్తాం. 5, 13 ఇంక్రీజింగ్ ఆర్డర్లో ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి అలానే రాస్తాం. 9, 9 ఇంక్రీజ్ సేమ్. ఇక్కడ మళ్ళీ కంపేర్ విత్ 1 ఎలిమెంట్స్. 5, 9 ఇంక్రీజింగ్ ఆర్డర్లో ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి అలానే ఉంచుతాం. 13, 9 ఇంక్రీజింగ్ ఆర్డర్లో లేవు కాబట్టి స్వాప్ చేస్తాం. 9, 13 వస్తాయి. దిస్ ఈజ్ ద way converting first list in increasing order. In each comparison with the length 2 and length 1, if the comparison elements are in solid order, increasing order, okay, otherwise swap it. Similarly, while you are converting second list into decreasing order, you make the comparison same way, first, third and second, fourth with length 2 and length 1. In both the length 1 and length 2 and length 1, the comparison elements are in decreasing order, okay, otherwise swap it. Why? Because second list we are going to be arranging the decreasing order. That's why in each and comparison with length 2 comparison, length 1 comparison of second list, the comparison elements are in decreasing order, then place as it is. See here 30, 40, 40 not in decreasing order కాబట్టి స్వాప్ చేయాలి. 43 వచ్చేస్తుంది. 70, 80, 70 and 8 in decreasing order only, so you have to keep as it is. Next, with the comparison with length 1, we see that again decreasing concept only. First two we compare it, whether these two are in decreasing order, no, swap it. 70, 40. Compare with the two next two, 3, 8 are in decreasing order, no, swap it. So that by the comparison of length 1 is over, you are list in decreasing order. Now already list 1 is increasing order, list 2 is decreasing order. So combining these two, we will get the list with increasing order and decreasing order. So it is a Bidonic sequence. Once it is a Bidonic sequence, already we know how to sort the elements of Bidonic sequence using the Bidonic sort technique. I think you might have understood. Thank you.